Hi friends, welcome to Surya Yoga Center. Today we are going to learn sitting postures like Vajrasan, Sasankasan, Supta Vajrasan and Ushtrasan. Now first one, Vajrasan, Sthiti, Dandasan, fold the right leg, sitting on the right leg, fold the left leg, sit comfortably on the heels, palms resting on the thighs. Finally, the weight of the body is felt on the back of the feet and the body is straight. Benefits: it is a meditative posture. Keep the spine erect. It prevents drowsiness. It stimulates Vajranadi at the ankles, which increases the awareness. Helpful for varicose veins. Prevents deep vein thrombosis. It is the only posture which can be performed even after heavy food. It is useful for heel pain. Limitations: stiff ankle due to rheumatic problems may avoid this posture. Relax in Sithila Dandasana. Now second one, Sasankasan, Sthiti, Dandasana. Sit in Vajrasan, resting the palms on thighs. Make a fist with right hand. Take behind the body. Hold the right wrist with the left hand. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale slowly, bend forward. The forehead is on the ground. Normal breathing. Inhale slowly, come up to the vertical. Release hands. Relax in Sithila Dandasana. Benefits: enhances blood flow to the head, stimulates the brain, gives flexibility to the spine, ankles and knees. A good posture for breathing. Limitations: patients with gastritis and peptic ulcer may avoid. Now third one, Supta Vajrasan, Sthiti Dandasana. Sit in Vajrasan. Recline slowly on the right elbow, then the left elbow. Lie flat on the back. Keep hands crossed above the head. Keep the knees closed. Maintain normal breathing. Catch the legs with hands and slowly get up. Return to Sithila Dandasana. Benefits: stimulates lumbar spinal nerves, prevents sciatica, mobilizes the hips, ankles and lower back, helps varicose veins. Limitations: persons with slip disc, spondylosis, and knee pain have to avoid this posture. Now fourth one, Ustrasana. Sthiti Dandasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Stand on the knees. Inhale, right hand rotate and place the right palm on the right heels. Left hand rotate and place the left palm on the left heel. Maintain for about 30 seconds with normal breath. Exhale. Come back to Sthiti. Relax in Shithila Dandasana. Benefits: makes the spine flexible, increases blood circulation to the head region. Limitations: recent operations at the chest or abdomen, hernia problems, high BP and low BP, and low back pain must be avoided. Thank you to all.